Are you selling to Shopify customers and you are on a Shopify Plus plan and you have issues collecting the national address that is important for delivery? Onwan App has the solution for you. After installing the app, make sure to subscribe to a plan. We have 7-day trial, so you can either choose one of these plans depending on your order volumes. Once you are picking a plan, make sure to go to settings, then to checkout and edit your checkout. Now go to the apps icon here and choose Onwan Checkout Plus. Click the plus next to it, click to information. And if you want the field to be mandatory, make sure to click. If it's not, you can keep it optional and keep it as it is. Now for the options, you can either use only the short address, or you can use both, or you can use only the OTP. It's recommended to have them both, and it's up to you to choose the one that suits you. Once you select, make sure to save. Now you can go to the checkout. Is the first option. If the user know his short address, he can just type it here. It will be validated and you can see all the details about the address here. If he doesn't know his address, he can just click on the second button because all the Saudi have their national address tied to their mobile number. So they can input their phone number here and they will receive an OTP SMS. Once they validate it here, click verify, they will be able to save it and continue the checkout. If you have any question, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We are available via live chat, WhatsApp, and email.